Recently, Boeing completed the first flight of the GE90-115B powered 777-300ER aircraft. The GE90-115B engine was developed by GE Aircraft Engines exclusively for the 777-300ER. The GE90-115B engine delivers 115,000 pounds of takeoff thrust to the 300ER and represents the highest thrust jet engine in aviation history. Key certification testing was conducted at GE Aircraft Engines outdoor test facility located near Peebles, Ohio.
Times 0837, begin icing cloud.
Burst to takeoff. 0953.34 on point. Continue hailstorm for 30 seconds.
We'll turn on water flow at 1100 GPM. Water on. Times 0637.48, burst to takeoff.
Seven, call back, go runway 30, wind calm, clear for takeoff.
Godspeed.
Welcome back, gentlemen.
Nice to be back.
Time is 23:57. We'll start transit 5146. Accel to our triple red line. Accel now. Time is 0001. On point, triple red line. Take ADS 187, engine log 211. Fan 2617, core 11,321, EGT 2013.
Boeing and GE Aircraft Engines, developing products that reduce the size of the world with safety, comfort, and reliability.
Release the plane.